Okay, so in this video we're going to look at a worded problem continuing on the theme with the lowest common multiple. Now the lowest common multiple is special because it tells us when two things will occur at the same time, and that's why we're going to be able to apply it to this question where it says a light bulb flashes every 100 seconds whilst a buzzer buzzes every 12 seconds. Given that the light bulb flashes and the buzzer buzzes at exactly 3:15 p.m, find the next time when the light bulb flashes and the buzzer buzzes together again. So because we're trying to find out when this 100 seconds and this 12 seconds is going to overlap, or when it's going to happen at the same time, that is why we are going to use the lowest common multiple. It is helpful to tell us when things occur together. Let's just write together down here instead. So we're going to find out the lowest common multiple of the 100 and the 12. Now the method I'm probably going to use, I am going to use my table method. It's just my most favourite one I've got. So if I divide them by 2, I would get 6 and 50. If I divide them by 2 again, I would get 3 and 25. And then there's nothing more that I can do with the 3 and the 25. So I'm actually just going to do my L shape for the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple is 2 times 2 times 3 times 25. So I can do the 2 times 2, which is 4, 3 times 25 is 75. Well, 4 times 75, that is going to be 2 times 75 is 150, so 4 times 75 is 300. So this means that 300 seconds, every 300 seconds they will occur together. So every 300 seconds there is a flash and a buzz at the same time. Now they've said that at 3:15 p.m. they happened at the same time, so we just need to calculate how much later than 3:15 p.m. 300 seconds is. So we're going to need to convert 300 seconds into minutes by dividing by 60. So 300 divided by 60 is 5, because 30 divided by 6 is 5. So it is 5 minutes later, meaning that the time that they buzz at the same time is going to be 5 minutes after 3:15, which is 3:20 p.m. That is our final answer for this question. They would next buzz at 3:20 p.m. and they're going to buzz and flash together 5 minutes intervals. So you go 3:15, 3:20, 3:25, etc. So you're going to have a go at this worded problem that we've got here. Pause the video and have a go at this, and then I'm going to go through it in just a moment. So it says that buses run from Manchester City Centre to Altrincham every 12 minutes and from Manchester City Centre to Urmston every 15 minutes. Given that these two buses both leave at 8:40 a.m, find the next time they should both leave at the same time again. So we're going to be finding the lowest common multiple of the 12 and the 15. I'm going to use my table method. Remember, you can choose any of those three methods. I can see they're both in the 3 times table. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. There's nothing more that can be done with the 4 and the 5, so the lowest common multiple are just those 3 that we've got there. The lowest common multiple is 3 times 4 times 5. I could do the 4 times 5 first, because that's going to give me a nice number. 3 times 20, which is 60. So this means they will leave at the same time every 60 minutes. They leave together every 60 minutes, or 1 hour, which means the next time that they will both leave, if it's 8:40 a.m, the next time they're going to leave is 1 hour later at 9:40 a.m. Okay, so if you are doing higher tier, you might want to stick around for the next video where I just kind of stretch this and try some trickier kinds of problems. Otherwise, that's everything that you need for the foundation tier for the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. Found this video helpful? Then why not drop it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you'd like the next video in the playlist, you can click here to be taken straight to it. And as always, wishing you the very best for all your studies.